Hello everyone. I know many of your favorite subject is science. Why? Because science takes us to the real world. We forget the abstract things and we become a part of practical world through science. So, friends, this video will show you the importance of Science Olympiad. What is the full form of science? Systematic, comprehensive investigation and exploration of natural causes and effect. What is the role of science? Science is an adventure. Scientific knowledge allows us to develop new technologies and solve practical problems. Science shapes our daily lives. Now, why? What is the importance of Science Olympiad? Science Olympiads prepare students for future competitive exams. Olympiad is a platform not only at school or national level, but it gives exposure to do better on international platforms also. Studying science gives us a logical understanding of the events occurring around us. Scientific knowledge allows a child to create technology. Science makes the kids smarter and curious about life. Science improves the logical thinking of a kid and shows them a career path. Science Olympiads give motivation and increases kids' understanding level. Indian Talent Science Olympiads build a solid foundation for school students to excel in science based on ICSE, CBSE and State Board syllabus. Questions asked in Indian Talent Science Olympiad exams are from your syllabus and questions are conceptual, which demands detailed study of your syllabus. Means the questions are not only based on upper level, it will be based on your concept level. So for clearing these questions, you need to read the syllabus, read the text thoroughly, so that the syllabus is properly clear to you. These exams are the kind of exams that bring along with them a little extra effort that a child needs to put in them. They surely are an excellent way of measuring anyone's true knowledge. Science Olympiad exams do give a wise experience and teaches that whatever we learn is never enough and that knowledge has no bounds. These exams prepare us for other future competitive exams. Promotes a wise approach towards learning and acts as a confidence booster. Participants will be awarded for performing exceptionally well in the Indian Talent Science Olympiads. It is totally based on the school curriculum but aims to enhance conceptual learning. Indian Talent Science Olympiad exam problems are tricky and conceptual, so it helps students to understand the topic well. It ultimately improves class results. Indian Talent Olympiad acts as a pre-assessment for competitive exams like JEE Main and other recruitment exams. Indian Talent Olympiads also develop analytical thinking in children. School students can test their understanding, level of knowledge and power of reasoning with the help of Indian Talent Olympiad exams. In developing an advanced level understanding of concepts and building self-confidence, this competitive exam helps a lot. With the help of Olympiad exams, students can acquire a deeper understanding of scientific facts. They sharpen the students' analytical skills. The questions asked in the Indian Talent Olympiad exams help the students better understand the concept they are taught in class. International Science Olympiad exam is a global Olympiad competition where students from different schools across countries can take part. Indian Talent Olympiad conducts Science Olympiad, which is one of the best and most proficient Olympiads which nurtures the aspiring talent. The test questions are based on applied science. It uplifts the existing knowledge of students on different topics of physics, chemistry, and biology. This exam has 2 levels. Indian Talent Olympiad has introduced online Olympiad exams and offline Olympiad exams for students of class 1 to class 10. Students can register through their school or can register individually from the Indian Talent Olympiad official website. Students enrolling individually can take the exam from their respective homes. Indian Talent Olympiad rewards deserving students with prize and awards who top in the science exam in India. It teaches them scientific concepts in the most practical way. Indian Talent Olympiad rewards deserving students with prizes and awards who top in science exam in India. Examinations are only way to know something. So, visit the website for better understanding. Thank you.